In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send an email from HubSpot CRM. If you already have your email content built, this walkthrough will take you from the dashboard to a successful send, making sure nothing important is missed along the way. Once you're in your HubSpot account, look to the left pane of the interface, click Marketing, and then choose Email. That takes you to the area where all your marketing emails live. You should see the email you created listed there. Take a moment to confirm it's the right one by checking the internal name and the last edited time, so you don't accidentally send the wrong draft. Next, click the email template you want to send. That opens the editor so you can do a quick final glance at the content. When you're ready, go to the top right and click Review and Send. This button is your safety net. HubSpot will run through the required fields and display any warnings or suggestions that help you send your email properly. Typical items include missing subject lines, from details, broken or empty links, image issues like missing alt text, and compliance reminders. If your template uses preview text, make sure it's present and meaningful. If anything is flagged, adjust the content in the editor before moving forward so your email is accurate and polished. With the checks out of the way, it's time to define who should receive the message and what they'll see in their inbox. Select your recipients by choosing the lists or save segments that fit your goal. Keeping your targeting focused can improve deliverability and engagement. Then enter your subject line. Aim for something clear and relevant to the content inside. Concise subjects tend to perform better, and avoiding spammy phrasing helps keep your message out of the junk folder. If your layout supports it, pair the subject with a short preview line that complements, not repeats, the subject. Before you commit, click Preview to see how your email will look for recipients. Scan both desktop and mobile views, and make sure every link, button, and image appears as expected. This quick step can catch formatting issues that are easy to miss in the editor and helps you confirm the message reads well on smaller screens. When everything looks good, click Send. HubSpot will process your selections and send the email to the recipients you chose. That's all there is to it. To recap, go to Marketing, open Email, select your prepared email, use Review, and send to check for required items, choose recipients, add your subject, preview the message, and then send. Follow these steps, and you'll deliver polished emails from HubSpot with confidence every time.